after I died? Did you sell your soul for me like Dad did for you?
Come on, no!
How long you get?
1 year.
You shouldn't have done that. How could you do that?
Don't get mad at me. Don't you do that. I had to. I had to look out for you. That's my job.
What do you think my job is?
What?
You saved my life. Over and over. I mean, you sacrifice everything for me. Don't you think I do the same for you? You're my big brother. There's nothing I wouldn't do for you.